Hey everyone, welcome back. We're gonna plan in my classic happy planner for the first week in November. And I did the random thing. What should I do? This was just a page I made, and I just add to it if I see a video that I like online or something on Instagram or Facebook, then I just kind of give myself an idea. And this week I got washi only, which I honestly was not looking forward to, but I'm kind of debating on using this spread that I made in a Word document as my planner next year. And so I was I want to do it this way. So I thought the washi only would be a good time to try this out. So first let's cut these out. No, first we're going to glue them down and then we're going to cut them out, because then I'll make sure the measurements are just right. Then we'll cut this out. Ooh, this is actually my spread for next week. So come back and see how I made this. Okay, then I need to hole punch them. Hole punch. No. Make sure I hole punch the right side, because that would be really sad to have holes on both sides of your paper. Okay. Yeah, so this is all the stuff that I need. And I'm gonna go ahead and write in November. And then let's write in the dates as well. So this is what I'm going to be using for my workout planner. So it's the full month in there, because I'm using half the month. So Monday is on the 2nd. That doesn't look cute. Tuesday the 3rd. 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so, and then I'll be able to track the food that I'm making, like the chores that I need to do, activities I do with my children, workouts, and it's like a habit tracker of like daily tasks that you have to do that most people don't track in their planner, but I like to. And then this space will be for like appointments. Now to the washi. And this is obviously like very full of like black and white, so I feel like I want to add a lot of color to this. And the question is, what color? We're just gonna go with this bright pink because I like pink. Do I want more colors? We'll see. First I want to put one right here. Let's just go ahead and cut it. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing right here. Still not straight. Cut the paper. Might just have to leave that down because it's pulling up the paper. So that looks a little bit more stupid, but it's all I got. I definitely need more, but I also don't know what I want to do. I need something over here. I know I said like more color, and this is black and white, but I don't know. I am drawn to it, so didn't cut the paper, or at least not all the way through. So that's really exciting. Like, I started to, but it's not like messing up the other side. I need some of this over here. So maybe just over in this corner. I don't know if it's just because this is normal computer paper or what, but this washi is like difficult to come up. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. So let me know what you think in the comments down below if you have any tips or suggestions on how I can improve this planner page, or if you have any questions. Comment them down below. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to get notified when I put up new videos. Thanks. Bye.